Today, I'm going to teach you how to get resumes submitted through a Squarespace form. If you're using your website to collect job applications, this is a straightforward way to manage everything in one place. Let's walk through the setup together. First, head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your websites. Simply click on the website where you want to set up the resume submission form. This will take you into the main editing area for that site. Now look at the left side menu and click on Website. You'll see several options appear beneath it, so go ahead and click on Pages. This section displays all the pages that currently exist on your site. From here, you need to locate and click on the page that already has a form on it. This could be a contact page, a careers page, or any other page where you've placed a form element. Once you've selected that page, click the Edit button. This opens up the page editor where you can modify the content and structure. Now locate the form on your page. Click on it and you'll notice a pencil icon appear. Click that pencil icon to start customizing the form itself. At this point, you can rename your form to something more specific, like job application form. This helps keep things organized, especially if you have multiple forms on your site. It's a small detail, but it makes managing submissions much easier later on. Next, you need to make sure your form has a file upload field so applicants can attach their resumes. To do this, click on the Content tab, then click Edit Form Fields. You'll see an option to add fields, so click that, and from the menu that appears, select File Upload. This is the key feature that allows users to submit documents directly through your form. Now that you've added the File Upload field, click on it to customize it. You can edit the label to something clear like Add Resume. This tells applicants exactly what they should upload. Toggle on the required option to make sure every submission includes a resume. Also, toggle on Allow only specific file types, then select Document. This ensures that people can only upload proper document files, not images or other file types that won't work for your purposes. Once that's done, go back and click on the Storage tab. Here, click Manage Submissions. This is where all the information from your form will be stored whenever someone fills it out and submits it. It's essentially your application inbox, so it's important to know how to access it. Now let's test the form to make sure everything works. Go back to the editor page in Squarespace, then click Save and click Exit. This takes you out of the editing mode and into the live view of your site. Now try filling out the form yourself. Enter a first name, last name, email, subject, message, and upload a sample resume to see how it works from the applicant's perspective. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit. The form should process the information and store it in the backend. Now go back to the tab where you access the storage section and refresh the page. You should see the new submission appear in the list. Click on it, then click on the form entry itself. You'll now be able to see all the details the applicant provided, and most importantly, you'll see the resume file attached right there. You can download it, review it, and keep track of all applications in one organized place. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Squarespace form to collect resumes, and you know exactly where to find them once they're submitted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.